So we're gonna do a little narration over this. This is a kind of show you where we're at. We're at Sao Paulo ruins, so way up there, Sao Paulo ruins, and so people kind of hang out here a little bit in the evening, anyways. And tonight they're filming something, so we're gonna see what they're filming. We just happened to stumble upon it. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Actually, I was with a friend of mine and we were just talking about different stuff. So this is the area that we're at. It's late at night. It's here we go. Let's see what they're gonna do. I'm not sure what. Let's see. So of course everything's in Chinese. So yeah. So I guess what they did is they did a little acting scene, and they're gonna do another one. So whoever that microphone is at is where the speaker's gonna be. So let's just see what they do. So he's gonna come by. So that's just one word, Chige. Gotta show some context of this. Let's see if they're gonna Chige. So we'll just keep on watching and see what they do. Pretty cool. Okay, let's see another scene here. Probably the same scene. And there we go. That's the end of the scene. Pretty cool. Very interesting. Alright, so we're going to end this one right here. Okay, since we're at this in the evening, we're just going to add on some film. So they have this right here, which is the film one that we saw. And we're just going to walk through a little bit at nighttime and kind of go down the hill a little bit and see what the dynamics of the lights look like at nighttime. And these are all the kind of stuff that you can see. Public bathroom is up there. Churches, Sao Paulo ruins behind us. And we're just going to walk through a little bit into this and we'll see if we can see people. I think sometimes when I've done this, I've watched for people without masks. I've watched for different foreigners. But I think, and actually I'll also let you know too, that this in the past is completely 100% crazy filled with people absolutely everywhere. And nowadays it's completely empty. It's usually empty anyways at nighttime, but now it's even more so at this time. So anyways, that below, that above us was the kind of a little bit of a some actors that were acting, and it's kind of interesting to see this late at night in a quiet time period at Sao Paulo ruins. And we're just going to end this right here because I think that's all that I want to say for now.